Hi, this is future Hina who forgot to start the vlog, and you will know the rest of the story how I got to this point in the end. So stick with me and you'll see what am I doing here and मैंने क्या आप लोगों को दिखाया है. So there's so much that you are about to see in this vlog. So make sure that you stay until the very end because you're going to enjoy this one, because you'll see a different Hina here. So I hope you enjoy, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy the vlog. For day 2 in Dubai, and I'm wearing a jumpsuit, and we're going for a little bit of shopping today, and we'll have lunch outside, and I'm gonna get my SIM card today. Go to the first one. It's fine. Don't bother.
Those memories, now I'm with you.
So I really want to quickly show you what I bought today before I doze off. I got the extension cord. This was the smallest one I could find, so that's the one I got, and I think this was for like 32 or 36 dirhams. So I had forgotten my makeup remover, so I got makeup remover and obviously cotton pads. So that's all I got from Carrefour. Yeah, it's from Carrefour. So yeah, that's for a bit. I just came back, and yeah, so I'm going to the nearest supermarket right now to get some fruits and milk and everything like that for my breakfast. My first time exploring alone, and the fact that Dubai is safe, it's good. Let's go. It's a good Indian restaurant. So you can fill up some fresh orange juice. They squeeze it for you and you can buy it. The apples that they have, I'm not sure what they taste like, so I'm just gonna take like 2 of them and try it out. If I like it, then I'm gonna take a bigger bag of it, which has like many of them, like look. So instead of that, I'm just going to get like 2 apples for now and see if I like them, because I'm very particular. I don't like apples, okay? Taking all of this. So all of this stuff also comes on Noon app. Like it just gets delivered to you. I want to experience what it feels like to be in a supermarket or like grocery market. So मेरे को ना बटर मिल्क बहुत पसंद है, मतलब recently पसंद आने लगी है. Cannot seem to see it anywhere. So I'm not sure if this supermarket carries it, but I'm gonna try to find it because I would really like that. And I need to get chocolate milk, which I completely forgot about and I just realized. But I'm in the dairy section trying to find it. देखते हैं अभी कामयाब होते हैं कि नहीं. I'll keep you posted. So yeah, and I did not find the chocolate milk. I did not get successful at it, but I'll go to another grocery store and then see if it works out. But let's see how that goes. सबसे पहले पता है दूसरा क्या एडवांटेज होता है ना ग्रोसरी स्टोर में खुद से जाने का, इस तुम लोगों को समझ में आता है कि कौन सी प्रोडक्ट कितने में प्राइस करी जाती है यहाँ पे एंड कितना फ़र्क है बाकी कंट्रीज़ में. फिर ट्रैवल से मच फिर इंडिया में या जहाँ पे भी आप हो, इफ़ आर ट्रैवलिंग, दिस इज़ अनदर पर्क दैट यू कैन गेट व्हेन यू आर traveling. So that's another thing. And yes, I cannot find a lot of things that I wanted, but I might go to a different store for this. So आज बड़ा एक्सप्लोर करने का मन हो रहा है, तो कर लेते हैं. फिर अभी कर ही रहे हैं तो. Okay, so they have a lot of brands. This is interesting. Man, I should have just come here. This has so many other things. Ooh, wow. Let's go there. They have literally everything. What chocolate milk was I looking for? So I'm looking for this one, but they don't have a bigger size. Oh, right there. Okay, let's get it. Get 2 of those. They have mango, lychee, strawberry. Try this one. So if we like that one, they have like a entire pack. They have entire pack. We can just buy that later. So the thing is, the red one is like a sweeter one, and the blue one is the salty one. I'm gonna try that. Let's see. Oh, they have a lot of stuff here. Okay. साहब ये तो मैं ढूंढ रही थी. सो आई हैव दिस एज एन ऑप्शन, लाइक नॉट जम्बो, छोटा वाला, और आई यूजुअली हैव कॉर्नफ्लेक्स जो ये रहे. सो आई कैन गेट दिस एंड मिल्क. पर लेट्स गेट अ स्मॉल पैक. छोटा तो नहीं लग रहा कोई एंगल से, बट ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा है. आई जस्ट गेट दिस फॉर नाउ. वन get a smaller pack of milk. Let's go. यहाँ पर पूरे पिकल्स, इंडियन पिकल्स, सब कुछ है यार। ये तो बेस्ट है, बहुत पास में भी है, यहीं पे आना चाहिए था। प्रोड्यूस भी अच्छा है यहाँ पे। Okay, so I decided to get this one, 500 ml for now. Thank you so much. What I wanted to tell you guys something that, so before, whatever I had, like the confidence that I had was that in public I couldn't talk, or I would not pass through the people in the lane, like aisles, right? So जो लोग वहाँ पे होते थे ना, तो मैं बिल्कुल जाती ही नहीं थी उनके, but say I wouldn't pass through people ever. तो अब कैसा हो गया ना कि सोलो ट्रिप का ये भी एक फ़ायदा होता है कि तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हें ब्लॉग करना है तो तुम करोगे, ठीक है? तो oh god, it's difficult to walk and talk, but it's okay, हम करेंगे ब्लॉग के लिए, बढ़िया। तो पहले नहीं करती थी मैं वैसे, बट अब जब से मैं अभी अकेले आई हूँ ना, तो I'm pushing myself, right? ये पूरी ट्रिप एक सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी है। तो अभी मैं जानबूझ के खुद को फोर्स करती हूँ कि मैं उसी साइड से जाऊँ जहाँ पे लोग हैं, और क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है। I'm sorry, लाइट नहीं है यहाँ पे। Okay, so now that I'm back, I'm gonna show you everything that I got. 2 apples, banana and lemon. I've started this new thing where whenever I eat out or whenever I feel like I've eaten something unhealthy, which I very often do, but I'm gonna get better at it. That's why I got apples and banana to balance it out. I think it works, right? So I always like squeeze a little bit of lemon and salt and put water in it and drink at night whenever I remember. And this was suggested that I do that. So trying to follow that. This is the W Mart cornflakes, obviously, and मैंने ना अभी चाय और कॉफ़ी पूरा बंद कर दिया है. So now I am only on milk and cornflakes. Because उस वे में मैं थोड़ा मिल्क भी पीऊँगी because it's really good for health, right? Like मेरा मिल्क इंटेक पूरा ख़त्म हो चुका था. Like I would not drink milk and I did not like it. तो I thought कि मुझे सिर्फ that's the milk and थोड़ा फ्लेवरफुल मिल्क मुझे बहुत पसंद आया जब मैंने ट्राई किया था नून से. और अगर आपने अभी भी नहीं देखा है तो मैंने ये ट्राई किया है ऑन माई यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स. सो गो एंड चेक इट आउट बिकॉज आपको फिर वहाँ पे मेरा रिएक्शन वीडियो मिलेगा इसका. सो मैं वो एक लेके आई हूँ, 2 लेके आई हूँ बिकॉज इतना पसंद आया. एंड ऑनेस्टली मिल्क इनटेक आई एम कम्प्लीटली फाइन विद एंड जितना पियोगी उतना अच्छा. सो सिंस वी आर ऑन डेयरी आई ऑल्सो गॉट लबान अप विच वॉज सजेस्टेड टू मी कि छाछ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये. सो ट्राई दैट आउट विच आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट. I got guavas which are from Vietnam. I got dragon fruit which is amazing. I really like dragon fruit and I'm not too picky कि लाल खाओ या white cause उसमें 2 टाइप के आते हैं. जब तुम कट करो तो अंदर से या तो white आता है या तो you know what I'm talking about, red. There you go. Brain freeze हो गया मेरा वहीं पे. But so वो आता है and I think येलो भी मैंने एक बार कहीं पे मिनेसोटा में ट्राई किया था. येलो वाला वो भी काफ़ी स्वीट था. एंड दे आर लिटिल स्मॉलर इन साइज एंड लिटिल बिट मोर एक्सपेंसिव बट दे आर रियली गुड टू. एंड नाउ आई एम रियली टायर्ड. आई एम गोना फ्रेशन अप and get in bed. I have a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna get to that and finish some of that, and I'll see you tomorrow. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna end it here, and I did not forget to end, but guess what? I forgot to start the vlog, so I'm gonna film that as well. But take good care of yourself, and if you haven't not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Subscribe right now and like, comment, and please share, let people know. And I hope you're enjoying this, and I hope I'm doing my best to show you guys whatever I can vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.